Hare Krishna, welcome. Please join the sloka, 13th chapter, 4th sloka.
तत्क्षेत्रं यच्च यादृक् च यद्विकारि यतश्च यत् स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च तत्समासेन मे शृणु.
Now let us together enjoy the 13th chapter's body, the field, and the knower of the field. Full explanation by Krishna in an elaborate manner. Krishna says in this sloka, now please hear my brief description of this field of activity, how it is constituted, what its changes are, whence it is produced, who the knower of the field of activities is, and what his influences are. He has packed in 2 lines the whole gamut of activities involved in a person. He has given the total picture in this 4th sloka itself, and that's the way a speaker should do. At whatever he is going to tell in the whole package, he must start with the introduction which gives the summary. So it grips the attention of the persons who are hearing, that it is all in they will know what is the track, where they are going. Without knowing what he is going to say, without expecting anything, and then you sit, then it doesn't help. So we need not say that the speaker should follow it. They are already following it. But they will not say, I am following Krishna. But from Krishna only, whether it's salesmanship or way of talking or diplomacy or the way of delivering a package, way of giving a new concept, how complete it should be in all angles, everything is to be learned from Krishna. Whoever benefits by learning and implementing, that is up to them. It's openly available. Now, Krishna says all these things and then he says briefly. Of course, I am reminded of a joke where the lawyers give a 100-page note or summary, submission to the court, and they call it brief. So Krishna's brief is not without substance, it has got packed with substance. That's why he has told this. In 35 slokas, he has completed this whole of the concept. Now, when we are on the word brief, we have to see the pathetic condition of a minister. We came back from the public meeting visibly irritated and angry. With whom? With his PA. I told you to write 3 pages. Why did you write me a 9-page speech? There people were all nervous. They were not telling, and I could not continue. It was not a good picture. It would be smooth. It was not, because of your lengthy speech. When you are right and you cannot openly tell your boss, what do? Be silent for some time and then with a partly closed mouth you say humbly something. This PA also said same thing. Sir, I wrote only 3 pages, sir. But I gave 3 copies. I read all the 3 copies, sir. So what to talk about? He does not know what he is reading. First copy, second copy, third copy he has completed. And how can it be brief? Hare Krishna.